FreeLLMAPI is an incredible open-source project that brings together 16 free LLM providers behind a single OpenAI-compatible endpoint. That is around 1.7 billion tokens per month of free inference. With over 9,200 GitHub stars, it supports Google Gemini, Groq, Cerebras, Mistral, OpenRouter, GitHub models, NVIDIA, Cloudflare, Cohere, HuggingFace and more. Plus any custom endpoint you want to add. Key features include smart routing that picks the best available model, automatic failover when a provider is rate limited, encrypted key storage, streaming support, tool calling, and vision support with auto-routing to vision models. The admin dashboard lets you manage keys, reorder the fallback chain, and inspect analytics. There is even a native macOS desktop app. Getting started is one line. Curl the install script, or use Docker Compose. Point any OpenAI client at your local server with a single unified API key. Check out FreeLLMAPI on GitHub. It is the perfect tool for developers who want free LLM access without managing multiple APIs. github.com/tashphenum/freelllmapi